Welcome to the laser world. Ambay Etching Process welcomes you to the future of surface finishing. Have you ever wondered how that smooth and stylish texture on your electric lunchbox is made? It's done using 5-axis laser texturing, the most advanced way to add fine, durable textures directly on metal molds. Here, we've added a VDI graining texture on this electric lunchbox part mold. It improves grip, look, and performance, all with extreme accuracy. And the best part? You no longer have to send your molds abroad for this advanced service. Ambay Etching Process brings 5-axis laser texturing to India with world-class precision, fast delivery, and affordable cost. Whether it's for plastic parts, kitchen products, or automotive molds, we provide texture that lasts and looks great. Get your molds textured with us. Save time, save money, and get global quality results. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you only at Ambay Etching Process.